Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix battery drain problem on iPhone in iOS 15.6.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn off allow notification. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap notifications, tap screen sharing, turn off allow notification. Solution number 2. Turn off content and privacy restriction. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap screen time, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction, turn off content and privacy restriction. Solution number 3. Turn on low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. On the battery page, turn on low power mode. Solution number 4. Turn off location services and tracking. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap tracking, turn off allow apps to request to track. Again allow apps to continue tracking. Then go back, tap location service, turn off location services. Again turn off. Solution number 5. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, tap reset all setting. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.